In this video, we will see how we can make a slider swipe effect in Google Earth Engine so that we can compare two images easily. So let's get started. First, open Google Earth Engine code editor. Here we have created a variable named ROI, that means region of interest, and a point on Berlin has been assigned to that ROI. Then we have made another variable named image. Here we will load our image from uh, image collection of Copernicus Sentinel to surface reflectance harmonized image collection. Sentinel-2 provides high resolution image. Then we have filtered the image with filter date from January to December 2024. Then we have filtered the boundary with filter bounds function, and the boundary will be around our RY point. And the last filter is for cloud coverage. We allowed less than 5% cloudy pixel percentage in this image. So we used the code ee.filter.lt, that means less than. And finally, we used median reducer to make the image clear. Then we have created two maps instance. One is map 1 and another one is map 2. We will use those two maps to make the split panel in our code. Here we have linked our two maps, map 1 and map 2, with a linker. The code is used ui.map.linker, and this is assigned to a variable named linker. Here we have two map instance without any layers. Now we are going to add the layers to our map. So let's go for the first one, map 1. We have added a true color image to the map 1 and a false color urban image to map 2. For the true color image, we need RGB bands. B4 is red, B3 is green, and B2 is blue. So 3 bands make the true color image. And for the second maps, there are 3 bands. B11 is shortwave infrared band, B8 is near infrared band, and B4 is red band. These 3 bands make a false color urban image, that is used to detect urban area. And then we center the object to our region of interest, and we put zoom level 13. Since both of our maps is linked, centering to one will do for both. Here we are adding the split panel for our maps. We made a variable named split panel and use the function ui.splitPanel. ui.splitPanel takes some arguments. One is first panel. We pass our map 1 as first panel and map 2 as second panel. And we have used the horizontal orientation, that means our map will divide it into horizontally. A vertical divider will horizontally divide to map. And wipe through creates the swipe effect, so so that we can easily detect the changes from one image to another. We can swipe this like here and there. And finally, to display the split panel, we need to add this to the UI. The code is used to add the split panel is ui.root.widgets.reset, and we pass the split panel variable, this one, to the reset. Now let's run the code and check how it looks. You can see that the code has successfully showed two maps, and here is the swipe effect, so that we can easily drag left and right to see the changes. Here we have used true color image here and false color image here. We can check both using this swipe option. You can also use previous image like 2020 image here and 2024 image here, and you can drag this and check which features has been changed over the times. You can also split the panel into another two so that it will be 4 or 6 or anything you want in your code. You can change the code and play with the code. Thanks for watching.